Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to talk about this topic like 10 best tobacco and cigarette stocks to buy now by Hedge Funds News and here Insider Monkey. So, do you need to really believe on any information that you see in news? Absolutely no. And I can say the changing the best for like adding this one. Best, of course, best. Okay, let's see. Let's talk about number 10. Go down. Here is Aurora Cannabis. Let's open the price chart in TradingView, and we can see here price chart of this stock, and we can see this stock crush deeply. By the way, before crush, let's see how much grows from this lowest point. It grows 3,200%. Okay, and duration of growing around 3, 4, 5 years. So let's see from 2015 to 2018, 3 years. Okay, 3 years of growing. Okay, and then how many years crushing? After 2019 it started crushing, and now it's 2025. By the way, it's crushed around minus 99%. Yes, it's crushed. Let's see momentum before going up how much crush. Generally it's crushed around minus 94%, and then it's happened some pump, but it's a little bit pump, a little bit growing, and this maybe also can be accumulation. By the way, here let's take measurement. If we take here, it's 350% only. Yes, it's continued the all-time high like here. This is not all-time high, but I do mean the high of this, and after a while the high repeat here again. So duration here we can see on the bottom on May 2020, and then October 2020, around 5-6 months. 5 months, okay, and then it's pumped again. By the way, here we can see 2021, 2022, 2023, and it's going to crush. By the way, this can be also accumulation, maybe. So I think this is accumulation, by the way. And also we can see the huge volumes here also. By the way, let's see, there happen also some little pumps. Here 150%, and here 175%. Then we can see 100%, and now from this point it's 43%. Is it making sense to buy now or not? I can say I don't recommend, because it's already grow and it's already 43% expensive for minimum. And also if I take from this point, it's like 83% expensive. It's better to wait for a moment to crush the price, like momentum price crush like these levels, like 385 or here even 298. Okay, the buying point in my opinion can be here, like these points and also these points. But by the way, this is pretty high risk stock, and if you are buying, make sure that you are buying at less than 1% of your deposit. But after this point, not here, guys. Because you are buying in the grid, here you can see even it's X in grid, and I don't recommend to buy. So that's why it's not good investment for right now. It is not good investment. It's high risk first, and the second, that price high. It's high, local high, and this can be correction. You can see here examples. It's go up, pump, people are buying here, making mistake, and it's crashing down, and people are selling minus. in minus and losing, of course. Going up, people are buying and then disappointed, of course. Here, they are buying, disappointed. Here, yes, it can be also pump. I cannot say that it will be not happen, it will be 100% go down. Maybe it can become here or even here, okay, or even higher. I don't know. But by the way, you are entering the trend that's already gone plus 44% for minimum, or even 83% already. Anyways, go to another one. Come to the number 9. Here, Canopy Grow Corporation, CGC. Let's check. Let's see. CGC. Wow, wow, wow. Price chart. And let's see how much it grows from this point. It grows 3,600%. And if you see here, the minimum point, less than, so it's 11. So if I take from $11, it will be higher, of course. Let's see how much grows from $11. Okay, let's take from here, and it's 5,000%. Wow, impressive. But what else? After 2021, it's crashed minus 99%. Here we can see it's crashed deeply and deeply. Yes, here are pretty high volumes, of course, but by the way, this stock is pretty high risk. Yes, it's crash and pump happens. By the way, pump around 362%. Here, pump around 383%. By the way, is it making sense to buy now or not? I can say that's not making sense because it's already grown from 84 cents to 2 times and more. So we can see the growing percent here already 119%. So it's better to wait to crash and then start buying. Okay, for example, crash for minimum here minus 55%. Here less than $1 and you can buy this stock. But by the way, make sure that you are buying less than 1% of your deposit because extremely high risk. So if you can earn around 300, 200, 500% in medium term if pump happens. But I don't recommend to buy in the process of growing because it's greed, by the way. Anyways, this is also not good investment right now because I said it's expensive. It's globally cheap, yes, but it's locally expensive. We don't know globally the price will return to all-time high or not, and it's pretty low probability to see price like all-time high because it's crashed less than $11 that in the beginning. Here is 10, 11 times cheaper than the listing price, that listing lowest price. Understood? Go to the next one. Number 8. Let's find number 8 first. Yeah, I need to press to the next and go to the number 8. Kronos Group. Let's open. So Kronos Group also grows too high. Let's see, from 42.10 to here 5,400%. And then of course this stock also crashed. By the way, we can see it's crashed like this. But I think this can be accumulation. By the way, volumes are pretty good. So volumes are pretty high here. That's good in my opinion. But by the way, right now, it's better to wait to correction and buying level for this stock. I can say this level. Okay, you can start buying from this level. But now it's expensive, by the way. Let's see how much expensive. 34%. Here 26%. By the way, if you want, you can buy now. If it's not criticized for you to buy 20% expensive, okay, no problem, you can buy. Or wait for 15% correction and buy after this $1.72. Later, after a month or after weeks, I will check out the stock prices and let's see, is actually my prediction works for this? Is actually my forecast works and price crash or not? Anyways, the most important thing to earn money on this stock market, by the way. Yeah, I'm not smoking, I'm not using cigarette or cannabis or something like that. I never smoked anyways. And also, I'm not drinking alcohol over than 8 years, guys. Because I love to do sport lifestyle like calisthenics, sprint kayaking, running. I love really active lifestyle. So the seventh one is Universal Corporation, UVV. Check out the price. About UVV, Universal Corporation, it's pretty old stock, and you can see it exists since 1968. And let's see the growing process, how it's grow. Yeah, you can see it's long time happen with accumulation. That this stock stay in accumulation long time since 1968 until the 1974. So it's pretty long time, right? So and then start growing. Go up, growing with little crashes here. You can see crash a little bit, not too much in my opinion. Let's see, it's crash minus 39%, 30%. By the way, here, let's see how much crash generally. 41%. By the way, here also crash happens from this point, like minus 68%. By the way, go here and we can see from all-time high crash minus 46%. Now I don't recommend because this stock also on the local high. By the way, this stock dividend stock now it's extreme grid. That's why I don't recommend here. Yeah, dividend yield around 5%. Maybe after this point it can go higher. I'm not saying that price will not go high, but by the way, I'm not sure that price will not go down. By the way, anyways, if you are buying, make sure that just keep in mind that you are buying around almost 50% expensive than this point. That's why I'm not buying on the green when it's the local high. And here you can see this is the resistance level and the price is touched to the resistance level. So that's why I'm saying don't rush and don't buy right now. It's better to buy like these points, minus 24% cheaper, or here even minus 34% cheaper. So anyways, go forward. Anyways, I made buying level for you. First point for buying this at 45, another one at 39, and another one to $29. Okay, alright. This company can be good investment, but not right now. Just be patient and wait the price like 45 this point. Okay, go another one. Number 6. Going forward and checking out what is number 6 here. Tyler Brands. Okay, let's check out the price chart of Tyler Brands. That's it's number 6. Here we can see Tyler Brands accumulation. Okay, let's go here, like zoom out, and let's see globally. Here it exists before 2019, and it's pumped too high and then go down. And here we can see volumes are pretty high, and there is accumulation of the stock. We're here accumulation, big accumulation here that I see. Okay, after this accumulation is crushed. Okay, let's see this chart in daily time frame, and let's see here the current point. Now, right now, in my opinion, it's good time to buy this stock. So let's see. Yeah, that's okay. By the way, if I connecting to the 3-hourly time frame, let's see the price chart here. We can see here local accumulation, and I think this price can go high. Don't miss out to buy first order current in right now, but make sure that you are buying less than of 1% of your deposit, because again, high risk. So I'm waiting for minimum here in the worst case of scenario, but again, this is for the worst case of scenario for speculation, but I'm not going to speculation. My goals are higher, of course, here, like 893 or even 21. That's it, and higher even. If I open here the weekly time frame, we can see there exists $42, $60 here, 1 hour 72. Anyways, we don't know how much the stock can grow actually, but I am waiting for here in the worst case scenario, like 817, 870 for long-term investment. Anyways, I especially made the video of Tyler Brands. You can search in my YouTube channel. And here, Tyler Brands. You can check out the review of the stock. Special review for you about this company, about website, who are the holders of Tylery. So I recommend Tylery. Right now you can buy. Go forward. Number 5. Let's try to find number 5 here. Airleaks technology. So about Airleaks technology, what can I say? So this stock is new and is listed in 2021 and then crushed. By the way, in my opinion, this is accumulation. Let's open the daily time frame and let's see clearly the price chart. Okay, here let's zoom in and we can see, in my opinion, this is part of accumulation. But by the way, good entry point is 1.68 or here 1.60. But right now it's little bit expensive. But by the way, let's check out how much expensive from this point. 24%. Anyways, you can buy now if you don't care about buying in this price in the grid, like right now, or wait for a perfect moment. Anyways, minus 16% cheaper, or here even minus 50% cheaper. By the way, you can buy first part right now if you want to buy, and then wait for crash and make sure that you can buy. By the way, that's about my recommendation about this stock. This stock also dividend stock, that's good. Anyways, So I will make video about this stock. I like it. The price chart that I like it, of course, of this stock. By the way, but I'm not hurry up to rush to buy right now when I see the grid. Okay, another one. 10 best tobacco, and here British American tobacco. Let's check out what we can see about British American tobacco. It's on the high, maybe. Let's check out in momentum. Yeah, it's globally also on the high, and let's see. After February 2024, the price started growing, and let's see, it's already 54% expensive, and this is pretty low volatile stock. This is pretty slow growing stock. This stock is growing pretty slow. You can see since 2009 this stock grows 167%. Is it really need to you? Really? I am aggressive investor. If you want to invest this, okay, no problem. If you want invest with small risk, you can invest in this because this stock may small risk, because this is more volatile stock with big market cap. Here minus 56% from this point, by the way. But anyways, it's already 50% expensive, and I think the market cap of this stock is pretty high because this is small volatile stock. Yeah, you can see $98 billion market cap. This is large market cap stock. Okay, go to the next one. And if this is large market cap and low volatile, it means also low risk. But right now it's on the grid. That's why I don't recommend to buy now. So it's exiting grid and not making sense because this way already gone, and correction can be also happen. So if you want to buy for conservative stock, so you can buy when price will return here to minus 27%, like $32. Okay, so that's it. The correction can be happen like this, but let's wait and let's see results later. Maybe the correction will not be happen and the price will continue growing to come to the all-time high. But how much will you will earn? Let's see difference. Okay, if you are buying in current price, okay, again my measurement is not taking. Here you can earn 58% if you buy in current price, and what if you buy from this yellow point? You will earn 118%. What if you buy from this point, from ideal point? You will earn 150%. Okay, go forward, check it out the next stock. Go next. Here is Ultra Group, MO. Ultra Group is also pretty old stock. By the way, this is pretty old stuff. You can see 1968. Anyways, okay, I will not show all story, but you can see here quickly. You can see it's grow, by the way, but right now it's expensive, and also this stock is low volatile stock, and this stock is growing pretty slowly. If you really want, okay, but now it's not making sense to buy because it's already 50% expensive within 2 years. Anyways, within 2 years it's grow only for 50%, and yeah, This stock is dividend stock. If you want to receive dividend, okay, no problem, you can buy. And also another stocks that I have shown you, they paid also dividend, that you see something like British American Tobacco. But by the way, British American Tobacco stock dividend yield is 177%. I do mean not yield. Payout ratio is 177% and it's on the red. I don't know. But about Alpha Group dividend payout ratio is okay. Here we can see green color, 67%. Anyway, yearly dividend yield is 6.76%. Anyways, we can check out dividend history. Are they actually paid dividend every year? Yes, they paid. This stock is normal. This is the good stock, in my opinion. So I like it. If you want to receive dividend, but I like to buy. I prefer to buy aggressive stocks to take maximum profit. Buy low and sell high with extend profit, like 1000% profit, 500% profit. I like that profit, like 2000, 3000% profit. But profit for 50%, I don't know. But for dividend, for old age people, it can be good idea, this stock. By the way, I recommend to wait for correction. If it will happen, I don't know. Maybe it will be not happen and stock will continue grow. But by the way, here I'm making the point that you can buy. The first point is 43. The second point, of course, here March 2021 and March 20, and here this point also. Anyways, this range you can buy. Go to the another one. Philip Morris International is number one. Okay, let's check out Philip Morris. Oh, Philip Morris is too expensive. We can see how much it grows. Wow, wow, wow. But by the way, it's only 99%. By the way, in these years, this stock is growing so slowly. By the way, let's see how much it grows from 28, 2008, I do mean, to now, 489%. So this is pretty slow growing process. Even now, I don't recommend to buy because Philip Morris on the high. So it's not making sense to check out. Anyways, Exing Grid. Yes, this stock also paid dividend, but payout ratio here is red. By the way, I'm not checking out this stock because all the high on all-time high. Okay, I finished already because here 10 best stock by this information that I show. Anyways, here also I didn't check out, maybe here turning points brands. I don't know how I missed. Wow, turning point brands also too expensive for buying. Let's see, it's 255% expensive from this point. Buying point can be here, but by the way, it is not making sense to buy right now. So I absolutely not recommend. Even this stock is paying dividend yield 0.39%, 12% payout ratio. Financial results pretty good. It's in Exim Grid, of course, because you can see it's pretty high skyrocket. So this is skyrocket stock, and forget about this stock until the price will return here, okay? Or for minimum here at like $33. Okay, let's take here like $33, and price can come here. In my opinion, it can be realistic. So, but now it's expensive, too expensive. Okay, come back. So turning points already check out. British American Tobacco I check out already. Let's go to number 2 here. Yes, I have already checked out. Anyways, I hope that I didn't miss out any other stock. Okay, thanks for watching. If you find my video helpful, then like my video, share with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel to support my channel. Yeah, my video is already 30 minutes, but I hope that this video and my thoughts are helpful for you to choose which stock to buy now. So, TLRI. This is my recommendation that you can buy right now. Only this stock is on the bottom locally also. Globally and locally. If you want to take maximum profit, it's important to buy, of course, locally on the bottom. So, okay, and check out these videos about Tyler brands. Even you can see people are really interested about this talk. 3 months ago, 850 views. 2 weeks ago, 325 views. Alright guys, I have also Telegram channel of investing in crypto and stock market. My thoughts, my podcast, my recommendation here in my Telegram channel. Also, I will leave the link down below in description and you can join to my Telegram channel. Alright, share this video with your friends, write your comments what you think about these talks, which talk you like, do you smoke or not, are you smoking? It's really interesting to read how much the percent of humanity are smoking generally. Again, this industry will not die in my opinion. Of course, smoking stocks, of course, cigarette stocks like British American Tobacco, Philip Morris, they will not die in my opinion. About Tyler brands, I don't know, but it can be pumped. So this is aggressive stock. This is pretty high volatile, and one day this stock can be pumped like this strength. Let's see, for example, from here, it's pumped plus 1000%. I like stocks like this because these stocks are pretty aggressive and we can see pretty high volume here. Alright guys, see you in the next video. You can check out my other videos. Bye bye.